Stop. If you use Amex points for statement credits, you may be losing big value. Statement credits convert points at roughly 0.6 cents per point. That means 10,000 points become about $60 when used as statement credits. Compare that to travel redemptions, which often fetch 1.5 to 2 cents per point. At 1.5 cents, 10,000 points equals about $150, more than double. Bottom line, statement credits often destroy half or more of your points value. Better options exist: transfer partners, Amex travel bookings, and select gift cards. Transfer partners like Singapore KrisFlyer or Avianca can unlock far higher value per point. Booking premium flights or business class often produces cents per point well above 1.5. If you must use points for purchases, compare cents per point first with a quick calculation. Quick checklist: 1. Calculate cents per point. 2. Check transfer value. 3. Choose highest cents per point. Final tip: avoid Amex statement credits unless they're the only practical option. Run the numbers first.